It is early in the morning. We're gonna film this video before I forget to do it. Sorry the reflection, you can't really see my eyes, just know they're there. I actually opened this box a couple days ago and have been using the products because the week that I'm filming this, I had a really bad week and this was like the best pick-me-up for me, and so I didn't want to wait to use it. FabFitFun box. I tried to gather a lot of the products that I've already used and have fallen in love with, but I forgot one or two, but I will talk about those, so don't you worry. This season's charity is Dress for Success. Cool. Women deserve an equal chance to pursue their goals, however big, however small they may be. That is why we're excited to work with Dress for Success this season to help women achieve economic independence by providing programs, services, and a network of support to help them in their personal... Hello, Kiki. My cat has decided to join us. The celebrity is Gina Rodriguez. Don't you dare throw up on my tripod. This is a good video. Let's get into the products, shall we? This is the mask. It looks like this. It is a weighted eye mask 3B. It is gravity weighted sleep mask. Catch some quality Z's. This weighted sleep mask blocks the light and distributes a light touch across the key pressure points. Okay, I have mixed feelings about this mask because on the one hand, I do like sleeping masks. I do like how it's stretchy because I have another sleep mask that is just too tight and it's not adjustable really. It just has a stretchy, but it's not stretchy enough. This one does have a zip, so that way you can take the sandbag mask out and wash that. Kiki, please. I know, I love you, but stop doing that. I immediately put essential oils on it, so that way it smelled good. My biggest problem with it is when I took the sand mask out, it evens out everything perfectly. The pressure is distributed lovely and light. When you put it in the actual mask, like where the casing for the mask, whatever you want to call it, the gray part, it scrunches it all up. So it's like this thick, and it might be because my sinuses are bothering me lately because allergies, pollen is everywhere, but it like pushes down on my nose and it like hurts my sinuses. I could not get this product to go back into its box. Elemis Peptide 4 Night Recovery Cream Oil. Restoring night cream oil for all skin types. Night scented stock. Hydrates, restores, replenishes. So I've been using this last couple days, and which I'm currently trying Curology, and Curology would probably not be happy with me using other products, but I'm not really excited about their products, and they're not doing amazing things for me, so spoiler alert, may not be continuing Curology. But anyway, tried this last couple days, and I absolutely love it. This smells amazing. The scent, I would describe it as very relaxing, but not necessarily lavender. It's very light, it absorbs very quickly, and it does keep your skin nice and hydrated, which is something since I've been spending a lot of time out in the sun lately, and this has definitely helped. So I am obsessed with this. This retails for, just out of curiosity, this is 60 bucks. This product alone is $60, and I only paid 40 or less for this whole box, so we're already making your money's worth. This I'm just personally excited about because I am obsessed with anything Tarte. You can't even really see that. Can you see that? There you go. Tarte. I love Tarte's packaging. I love their products. I love their theming because it's all under the sea stuff. I love it. So this is their Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. I think I actually got like a sample of this like years ago, but this is like whipped cream for your face. So I would use this at night basically, and then use this in the morning. It is like, you can't really tell because of the lighting, but it is so like creamy and it smells like the ocean. I love this so much. This like makes me feel like I'm at a spa, and I love how big this is. Look how giant this is. Oh my gosh. When this came, I was so incredibly happy. So this is a mystery product. Sometimes I don't, because you get to pick products that you want. They give you like 3 or 4 different options you can choose from for your 5 products that you, get to choose. In this category, I just couldn't find one that I liked, and so I got the mystery choice because I am a select member. That just means you pay a year. This is the Better Skin Co. Power Trio Complex Tighten, Brighten, Revitalize Serum. It is a vitamin C serum, basically, which, to be honest with you, I have so many vitamin C masks and lotions and all this other stuff that I feel like my skin doesn't need anymore. That, and when it comes to serums, I don't know how I feel about serums just because they're typically really oily unless they absorb into the skin. Like using moisturizers is a big deal for me. This may be a gift. Who knows? We will see. But it does smell good. Next, and I was really excited about this because I do like this brand as well, is Perlice, I think is what the brand is called. Perlice. It is a watermelon 2-minute energizing polishing peel. Gently resurfaces skin, smoothing bursts and radiance. All skin types. This smells so good. Watermelon's one of my favorite fruits. It smells like a Jolly Rancher. This is the one I'm not too excited about because I didn't realize it was only a body oil. Moisturize and replenish the skin with 100% pure oils and vitamins. I may end up giving this to mi madre, my mother, because maybe not, I don't know, maybe I'll use this for my hands. Rosewood and Listsi Cube body oil with pomegranate oil. It's a lot of different oils. It's a vitamin blend. There you go. Okay, so the other product that I have in the other room, I actually really love as well. Let me see if I can find it. If I could have everything from this company, by the way, this brand, I would. It's the This Works Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. Use this cream to bring calm and relaxation while nourishing your skin. So it is this right here. It's the same company that makes that pillow spray that smells amazing. It says multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. It is a lotion. It's a body lotion. But what I did is I put it on my hands and then I put it on my arms. And what I love about this is it like ends up getting on my robe, so it like smells amazing when I get up in the morning. It smells like lavender and like just relaxing scents. But I will say my husband does not like lavender, and this didn't bother him as much as like the pillow spray does. So I really love this just for me. It also reminds me to put lotion on my hands every night because I always forget to put lotion on my hands. This is the last product that comes in the box. I did get one add-on, which I will share. It is the silicone straws. 4 silicone straws, brush cleaner, and a plastic case. The Full Bloom collection. So if you've been watching my videos, I've been trying to go eco-friendly. And I have been forgetting because I have so many bags now. I have bags for work. I have bags to go to different parks. I always forget to bring my silicone straws or my reusable straws in general. I personally prefer the stainless steel ones, but I mean these are more compact, obviously. They do come with a case, which I'm curious to see. Oh, this is just like, my mom got me some like this. So it's a little case just like this. A lot of companies, mistakes were made. There are a lot of companies that make straws like this. So you just slide it in like so. I'm gonna put a pink one in there because these are my favorite colors. But like pretty much you get the concept. You fold them in and shove it in there. A little fun fact for all my Disney fans out there, Epcot has started for every festival this year. They've been putting out silicone straws. Basically it's a silicone straw. They actually have one that is this color, and then it like bends like this. It's like bendable. And then it has a cute little straw clip. And I got them for the art festival, and it says Epcot Art Festival, and then it has the year on it. And the one that I got had like Figment, and I think another one had like the Epcot. Comes in packs of 2. So fun fact, the Flower and Garden Festival will be having their own for all my Disney fans out there. Go get these, because heaven forbid you use a paper straw and then it gets all mushy and icky and disgusting. I don't like paper straws. I got bath salt, relaxing bath salts, brain relaxant, from Summer Rose. I could already smell it out of the package. I was like all out of bath salts from all of the baths that I was taking for my 10K, and now I have some more. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Kiki. Say bye. Say bye. Bye bye.